Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to a late November, very sunny Friday afternoon. This is a first for me. I'm actually filming myself in the car because I've wimped out on the bike today. If by any chance you saw my last video, then you'll know that I've recently acquired a new drone. I've got the new DJI NEO 2, and as yet I've not got the thing up in the sky, so plan to remedy that today. I'm heading up to Hinton Parva, which is a small kind of village hamlet in the very north of Wiltshire, just kind of, I don't know, probably slightly northeast of Swindon. And Hinton Parva has got a place called the Coombes, just on the edge of the village. But it's a wonderful kind of sort of small valley, if you like, very picturesque and very, very quiet. So it is a great place to get the drone up. Okay, well here we are, Hinton Parva. Very, very bright sun today as we're pushing into the winter now. It's really quite low. It's only about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Very muddy. And this might not end well. I've certainly not got the right footwear for this. Okay, let's see if we can get around the outside of it. Should be alright. The great thing about here, the Coombes, is there's rarely anybody here. I think every time I've been over here, I've either been on my own or maybe just, you know, 1 or 2 other people, perhaps with a dog or whatever. It's a little hidden gem. So there it is, the NEO 2. Let's get the gimbal off. Start her up. So you've got these little buttons here at the side. If you want to fly independently without using the remote or your phone, you can choose your mode with these little buttons here, and the red one is to fly it. You've got a little screen at the front here that I'm pretty sure you won't be able to read on the camera because of the sun, and that's telling you the mode that it's in. So I want to select follow me and see how well it copes.
Front, follow, 3, 2, 1.
It should be in front of me, so I think, here you go, he's overtaking now. So he should be looking at me face on. It's a little bit low, it's kind of, I don't know, chest height or just below, so I think you might try and raise it up a little bit. Right, let's see if we can get it to respond to my gestures. Well, I don't know whether you saw that, but basically by holding a palm up, that puts it into gesture control mode. Hold out your palm and it comes in and lands. That was absolutely perfect. Let's go front right, I think.
Rear left, rear, rear right, right, front right.
Okay. Press the red button.
Front right, follow, 3, 2, 1.
So it'll now go and find its position, which should be front right over there somewhere. This camera is facing right into the sun, so I'm not sure how well that'll be picking the drone up. But anyway, let's go. So he's over here somewhere, he or she. He should remain to the front and to the right of me for the duration until I tell it otherwise. Okay. Holding the palm out, and in she comes. That is very impressive. Okay, so let's try another setting.
Selfie shot.
So selfie shot, now what that will do, it will take off and then it will do take three photographs.
3 shot sizes. Selfie shot. 3, 2, 1.
Now I'll do another one. And then it will do another one. Very good. Come and land then. Thank you. Let's try circle. See what that does.
2 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
So I think what that's going to do is, as the name suggests, just circle round me at a 2 meter distance. So I'll just stand still, keep facing the same way for maximum effect. A nice little circle shot. Very good. Thank you very much. You can come home if you like. Excellent. Okay, what else have we got?
Rocket.
Rocket. No, I think that, as it suggests, will shoot up in the air.
4 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
Off you go, there he is. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but he's up there somewhere. So let's get it to follow me from behind for a while.
Rear. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so the stroll. This is where the drone camera may struggle a little bit because it is really directly into the sun. So we'll see how well that Neo copes with full-on sunshine in the face. I can see hardly anything walking along here, so the camera will have a little bit of work to do. Goes on for quite some time, this little walk through this lovely valley. I don't think we're even halfway along yet. And at the top of each of the hills on both sides, you've just got rolling countryside in every direction. It really is very, very scenic. I think I'll walk a little bit further up and then get the remote control out, do some proper flying with the drone. The grass is quite short here, but I'm going to chuck a little landing mat down anyway, just to try and avoid getting any grass in the props. Okay, I'm just going to set up the remote with the phone. That takes a little bit of time, a little bit of faffage. I think I'll probably put a fresh battery on the drone as well, and then we'll get going. Lift her up a little bit.
Home point updated.
I'm going to start the camera. Okay, so we're now filming. Just turn around the other way. And up she goes. So I'm heading off into the distance there now. Go quite high, should get a nice view of the valley. Let's turn it round.